Next question is for David. Are the instructors readily available outside of the traditional 9 to 5 workday?
The instructors are always responsive and available, but you have to remember that they're also very busy too. So they may not be available immediately. I've had to schedule calls with some of my professors, with Amber. So again, it kind of goes back to time management. It's not really feasible to expect them to be able to answer a call if you have an emergency. So don't allow yourself really to work up until the last minute and then realize you need your instructor for something when proper time management would have helped you in that situation. So work ahead to minimize all the 911s, but yes, they're all very responsive on email and send them if you feel like you need to speak to one of them, send them a quick email. Try to schedule a call, and they're usually available not immediately, but fairly quickly. So I've had no issues trying to get anything answered from either Amber or any of my instructors.
Excellent. Thank you, David. Anyone else want to add anything here? It's a pretty straightforward question, and David gave a good answer to it. Debbie does.
I just wanted to add that the instructors I have had so far have really been great. I know several months ago when the hurricanes hit Florida, our instructor emailed and said if anyone needs any time, because of students being from all over, and we had a couple from Florida, and he let them know if they needed more time for their assignments that they had it, no problem. So, and they do, they give great feedback on your assignments. And that's all.
Yes, I can really attest to that. Here in South Carolina, I remember our Wi-Fi was out and the electricity was going in and out during the hurricanes. And I emailed my professor, panicked. I was like, listen, my assignment's going to get done tonight. And it was a couple of days early. And he was like, that's the last thing you should be worrying about. Your safety is my concern. And then he sent out an email to the entire class saying, we'll be on standby, just, check in with us. And I just thought that was so thoughtful for him to want us to check in with him, despite the fact that we had assignments due. Everything was fine and it all worked out, but I just thought that was amazing.